Hey guys, Britt Treese here from WB Treese Consultants, talking today about why you as an investor should look into construction loan monitoring. It's also known as construction draw inspections. We put together a series of inspections for you that protect your investment when you have a construction or renovation project going on. Number one, it makes sure the project is completed according to plan. Number two, it protects your investment, it protects your money. And number three, it saves your money in the long run from having to go back and forth with your builder, trying to find out whether things were or were not done, wasting your time and money. So we get in there for you, we do the inspection, we report back to you and make sure your money is taken care of. Check us out online at WBTC3.com. Again, Britt from WB Treese Consultants. Thanks so much.